Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Asbah CH from Doctor Asbah YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about most important 20 MCQs of biology subject related to vitamins. Now let's start. The cause of short-term or acute vitamin A poisoning is due to eating the liver of mule deer, eating the liver of buffalo, eating the liver of ostrich, eating the liver of polar bear. The correct answer is eating the liver of polar bear. Which of the following is the most essential nutrient for a woman during her initial stages of pregnancy to prevent birth defects? Thiamine, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E. Correct answer is folic acid. Which of the following food sources has the highest levels of vitamin C? Parsley, broccoli, black currants, orange juice. Correct answer is black currants. Which of the following vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. Correct answer is vitamin K. Which is the leading cause of blindness in children worldwide? Glaucoma, cataracts, color blindness, vitamin A deficiency. Correct answer is vitamin A deficiency. Which of the following vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. Correct answer is vitamin B1. Who is the most likely to develop scurvy or vitamin C deficiency? A pregnant woman, a malnourished child, a long-time alcoholic, a person with the eating disorder anorexia nervosa. Correct answer is a long-time alcoholic. Which of the following vitamin functions as both hormone and visual pigment? Thiamine, retinol, riboflavin, folic acid. The correct answer is retinol. Which of the following nutrient deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia? Folic acid, niacin, pyridoxine, cobalamin. Correct answer is folic acid. Which of the following is a fat soluble vitamin? Vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin K. Correct answer is vitamin K. Which of the following diseases is caused by the deficiency of niacin? Scurvy, rickets, pellagra, pernicious anemia. Correct answer is pellagra. Which of the following vitamins serves as a hormone precursor? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. Correct answer is vitamin D. Which of the following is a component of the coenzyme A? Retinol, pyridoxine, retinoic acid, pantothenic acid. Correct answer is pantothenic acid. Which of the following vitamins is also known as cobalamin? Vitamin B11, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. Correct answer is vitamin B12. Which of the following statements is false about ascorbic acid? It shows antioxidant activity. It is a strong reducing agent. It can be synthesized in the body, involved in the hydroxylation of pyrrolyl and lysyl residues of plagal. Correct answer is it can be synthesized in the body. Which of the following vitamins has a coenzyme function? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following food sources are the best sources of vitamin A? Sweet potato, poultry, legumes, dairy products. Correct answer is sweet potato. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? Vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin B2, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Weakness in muscles and increase in the fragility of red blood cells is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin E, deficiency of vitamin D, deficiency of vitamin C, deficiency of vitamin A. Correct answer is deficiency of vitamin E. Which of the following is the scientific name of vitamin K? Ascorbic acid, phytonadione, tocopherol, pantothenic acid. Correct answer is phytonadione. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asbah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.